Hey everyone, Karli Spahr here with American Dream Home Team, and I'm at 7205 62nd Avenue North in New Hope, Minnesota. And this is our progress. The outside's gonna look a lot different in a little over a week, but we are at the drywall phase. So garage is drywalled inside. Now they're not completely done with drywalling and plastering yet, so take the mess with a grain of salt, although they're doing a great job with taping the floors, thanks to them. So you walk in the front door. It's a lot easier to picture. To the left, we're gonna have French doors here. This is a study, office, beautiful windows out the front, nice big foyer leading upstairs. We'll go up there next. Linen closet, nice, huge, open, great room, sunroom, dining room, kitchen, huge backyard. This is a half-acre lot in the city. You don't find those very often anymore. So, kitchen's gonna have nice cabinetry all the way around with a center island, a really large center island with a nice top. Walk-in pantry right here is going to be like a breakfast bar, beverage center with all of its quartz countertops, overhead cabinets. I like to do the under cabinet lighting, and so there'll be switches that you can turn those off. Patio, we'll have a deck there to the backyard. Sunroom, I forgot to mention, my favorite little thing to do. We have Christmas tree lights or whatever you want to put outside. That switch in the closet will go to the soffit, and you can run Christmas tree lights all the way around. So back here, we'll have a half bath. And then right when you walk in from the garage, a nice 3-stall garage, there is a mudroom. We'll have a bench, a locker type of thing, cubbies. Downstairs to the basement, we'll go down there last. Okay, so we'll go upstairs. We have transom windows up here to let in some nice natural light. So at the top of the stairs, there'll be a pocket door here with laundry. To the left here will be sink, cabinetry, washer and dryer, which is included with all our sales, overhead cabinets. Again, these really nice transom windows. They'll be a lot prettier looking railing, open railing here. And so you head into the primary suite. Nice huge bedroom, great window with natural light. Their own private bathroom. We're gonna have a very large tiled walk-in shower. Dual sinks with a toilet. Walk-in closet. It's pretty sizable in there as well. And then we go out and take a right here. And at the end of the hallway, there's 2 bedrooms here with large closets. Both of them are pretty similar. And then around the corner, there's no lights in right now, so it's a little harder to see, but this is the primary bath, 2 sinks. It'll have a tall linen, full bath and shower. Here is a linen closet in the hallway. Go down to this bedroom, to the backyard. You'll have a window and then also a decent sized closet in here. Okay, so we're gonna go downstairs to the basement, which is finished. So okay, so you can see the natural light down there because we do have egress windows. So right at the bottom, there'll be a big door. There's no lights in here, but this is a really large storage area. You can never have enough when you have a family. our bedroom here with a large egress and closet. And then a really large family room. Then a little inlet there with the separate area. It's all still open, but with more natural lighting. And down here, I have a full bath. There'll be sink cabinetry in here, full bath, and then a really large mechanical room. And with all our homes, we have the tankless water heater. And this particular home will have an irrigation system. The whole half acre will be sod, maintenance-free deck in the back. We will also have, you can't see it yet on the front porch, but there's pillars that will have stone LP on the front of the house with vinyl siding on the sides and back. And then landscaping, we'll have a couple of trees. Well, there's already some trees in the backyard, but landscaping in the front with separate edging and full driveway. And we're making the driveway wider on this one. So Karli Spahr with American Dream Home Team. Let me know if you have any questions on this home or any others.